Good morning, legends. Morning, morning, morning. Welcome back to yet another stream. YouTube notifications are working. Double Q. How are you, my friend? Shout out to the brother Dead Legs on Kick. Good morning to the brother Grumpy Monkey over on YouTube as well. And good morning to all my people over on Twitch as well. Morning, morning, morning. Stupid Flanders. How are we doing, guys? Just stopped in here to say hi to Lurk while I work. No, do your mahi. It's all good. It's all good. Welcome back to yet another stream, guys. It is a beautiful day here in Aotearoa, New Zealand. Good day to do some washing. Get them on the line, make them dry early. What's up, Tommy Montana? Good morning. I see we have a few new people in Twitch as well. What's up, Croc Initiator? Crocinator? Sorry, brother. Welcome to all the first time viewers today. My name is Brox. I am a traditional Maori woodcarver. This is what we have been working on. We have been doing this here. This is a tiki, T-I-K-I, and we have been just started working on the face. So we'll be working on the face some more today. Genuinely, hope everyone's well. Hope you're looking after yourself, healthy. And I have an apple. Okay, how are we doing? I was gonna go live last night, but I was pretty tired, eh? I was pretty tired. I lie. I was playing League of Legends. I'll say it. I was playing League of Legends to get Mythic Essence so I could get Pack Silver. That's about it. Yo, Bleats, kia ora. But is there a way I can get one of these? If you can save up 1 million channel points or get on the commission list, that will be open next year. Around this time of the year, I don't really take commissions. Bro, you're always asking about others. I always will, my bro. How are you doing, brother? I'm good. I'm good. I had a good sleep. Good sleep. Did a few things last night, just work. There is a big opportunity coming up for me. I signed an NDA, and there could be an opportunity to also give something away. Yeah, there could be an opportunity to give something away as well, chat. I am grateful. I am grateful, and I'm grateful for all the support we've been getting across all the platforms too. That's why this week was more focused on consistency. So we've been live every day. B-Hawks fan, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime getting us started for the day. Kia ora. Hello, is it Honey? What's up, Amija? Philadelphia Chicken Inn. Hey, go Birds, baby. Many blessings to you and your family, and to everyone in the chat too, always, man. I want everyone to succeed that are watching right now. So you can come back and tell me it's the best feeling ever. I just eat this and then we'll start. But we just started doing the head yesterday. Right here. So it's all coming together now. The mold for the head is pretty straightforward. There was an earwick in my boots. Subway Side OG, yeah, I heard a lot about you and your content. I'm sure you're right about the fact you're super chill. Hey, chill lippy. So, with the content that I do a lot of traditional Maori wood carving. I like to highlight my culture majority of the time. Then you might see me play some games here and there. I am trying to figure out how to use the Snapchat filter of the potato so I can become the literal embodiment of my aim in FPS games. I'll figure it out somehow, but yeah, for now, let's use the camera. I just downloaded Battlefield Red Sec. Anyone playing that? Also, I've been playing Arc Raiders as well. You're doing some Whakairo? Yeah, every time I'm outside it's Whakairo. I'm back to watch a Maori touch wood. Good man, good man. So I've been doing Whakairo, Maori wood carving since I was 12 years old. I started back in Kura Kaupapa is what we call it, but it's kind of like primary school. And the one who opened the world to me when it comes to Whakairo was my uncle. And unfortunately he's not around anymore. So honouring his legacy is something I take really seriously. Oh, what's a treasure train? Reach level 2 and you get discounted subs. Oh! Yo, chat, if we reach level 2... we got a treasure train on Twitch. Like Warzone only slower. Oh, is it? I've actually never played Battlefield Red Sec yet. Yeah, I was never a fan of COD, because you know they're sliding on their right ass cheek and then they switch over and then they're on their shoulder. I could never keep up. Okay, that's us, eh? Oh. If they made a Halo 2, I'd flame that, but they're remaking Halo 1, eh? And better yet, for me, it's gonna be on PlayStation. Hey, Moose, how you doing, brother? How are you? Appreciate you. I've been saying it like Pata for a long time now. Okay, let me drink a little bit of coffee and then we'll start. See, I can hear him now. What's good, what's good? Yeah. That's how much I miss jamming with you, bro. Okay. I've been in the server, I've just been getting a little burnt out. Especially when it's just me majority of the time. But yeah, definitely keen to jam other games with you when I have the time. Arc Raiders has been really fun. Sorry chat, I'm just looking for a chisel. Usual story. Alright, so we are over here. Once again, Whānau, if you can contribute towards the treasure chain. Much appreciated. Why is it so dark? There. So yeah, we're going to be working on the face today. Yeah, of course. Yeah, brother, we'll do. Discovered your channel with this live. Oh, hey, brother. Cornelius Fudge. Wait, what's that off? Isn't that Harry Potter? Oh, it is. Who was he? I can't even remember the character. For he fins, thank you for the 100 biddies. Appreciate you. Who was he? Was he the werewolf guy? I can't remember. Sorry, chat, but my boots that I'm wearing today are enchanted with grass damage. See? Got grass enchantment on it, if you can see. It's a bit dry. The Minister of Oh, okay. Well, that's the one that says, he's not back. And then when he sees a man, then he's about to, like, you can tell his asshole's about to touch fabric when he sees old Tommy Ribs. And then Brody retires the next day. No Crocs today? Nah, brother. Brox, where do you sell your work? Through me, I guess? I want to go to the post office next week to see if the imports tariff stuff has stopped yet. I hope it has, because I really want to get these carvings to everyone. To Low Gains and Box. No, I don't have a store. I'm not a big fan of stores, I feel like it takes away from the genuine connection I could make. That's just yeah, that's just how I roll. Sorry, brother. Call me old fashioned, my bro. Restikpa. Do you even know what that spells? Restikpa? Yes. You must Restikpa your father. Anyone remember that movie? I got one laughing face, so I think the bird knows that movie. Do you want to know why the UK is the way it is now? Because there is not enough fit mingers. Such a classic movie. And the fact that he plays Mephisto now in Marvel. It's crazy to think that Sacha Baron Cohen has such a serious role now, eh? Do you sell these? Yes, I do. Yeah, I can't get over the fact that he's got such a major role now. Do they have tariffs on gifts to send? So Trump has stopped imports. No imports. And obviously with this, it is very much an import. Can I ask you something? Yeah, what's up? As long as it's, you know, not silly. Hello from England. Good evening, my friend. How are you doing? So the reason why I have to cut this way and then back down this way is due to the grain changing. So just on the very tip of this face, it's like a whole different grain, and it sucks, eh? It sucks arse. Hi from Brisbane, Australia. Good morning, my brother. Good morning. You want one? Oh, cheers, brother. Yeah, so that's why I haven't been able to send these two carvings that I have on me through to America because of the tariffs. Oh, because of the import stuff. And the post office lady said when it opens, she goes, I feel like it's not going to be cheap. Call it more of a gift than import? Yeah, I put it under gift, but the lady still said nah. She showed me on the screen and it come up with big red message saying can't send. Yeah, I legit have two carvings on me ready to go. Hi from my bedroom, my guy. And it's all when you do the Might have to have a subathon to help with the shipping. I don't know, eh? I haven't done a subathon in ages, so I did a month one, just to like a kind of like how the streamers do supportathons. I had like goals for the whole month, and that was to save for my nan's headstone. And just a little bit on that. We have enough, chat. Thank you very much. We found a headstone yesterday that's within our budget. Now all I have to do is talk with the rest of the family. You know, it's best to like communicate with them instead of, you know, choosing and then they're like, where was our decision to in this? Deep down I want to say you don't fucking get one because you didn't contribute towards the funeral. That's what I want to say, but you know, I won't. But yeah, ideally that's what I'd like to say. Sorry for your loss. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you, man. Yeah, it's a couple, like 2-3 years ago now, but yeah, just blessed, bro. Yeah, that could be an idea, maybe. But yeah, I was gonna go into the post office next week just to ask if that's changed at all. If Uncle over in America has changed his mind on all that. See where he's at. And if it's open, then I've got to send out 2 straight away. Even the bro IDDDQD hit me up too. If you don't know who that is, he is an Overwatch pro. And I used to RP with him back in NoPixel. Yo, Kizza! Thank you very much for the 3 months in advance. Oh, thank you, brother. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, my friend. Go. One other thing we'll have to do too is this head needs to be rolled on this side a bit more. So we've got a nice climb there and it's a bit of a short one here. So that's something else that we have to look at as well. You know what I should have did last night? I should have streamed and we could have played Dispatch finally. Because all the episodes are out now, eh? So I can finally slam that. Oh good, because I appreciate you, brother. Yeah, so just want to let everyone know the reason why I'm more open to subs these days is because of my nan. As much as I tried to push back, she ended up hitting me on the head with her crutch. Even though she was the one that kinda, oh, her and my mum were the ones that made me who I am today. A fat, sexy beast. No. Hey Diego, how you, brother? Okay, we're gonna Yeah, we gotta fix this up, chat. Also, something else we're going to be doing through the summer. Now, with summer, well, we're in summer now, but with the more hotter days on the way, around that time of the summer, we don't really cook inside. So I'll be, we're going to start doing barbecue streams, chat. Good, and you? I'm very well, my brother. I'm very well. I forgot to weigh myself this morning. Damn. Oh well. You've been dieting, brother. So last time I checked, I was 180. Oh, 180. I was 138 from 136 kgs. We do kgs here. Sorry to those that do the pounds vibes. Yeah, probably be doing a... Hey, thank you for the follow as well, brother Diego. Yeah, so, how tall are you? Centimeters, like 185? Or just over 185? I think that's what the nurse measured last time I ever went to the doctor. I hate going to the doctor, bro. I have a dentist phobia too. It was from primary school days. So the dentist was doing my teeth, and she dropped a drill in my mouth, and I just remember that light humming drill sound, and then it was just like going ham around on my teeth. I was like, fuck, I've been scarred ever since. Oh, bro. J Master, morning, my bro. And I've hated every dentist in the world since. Yeah, bro. I want to go watch that new Predator as well. Anyone seen it? What a Predator Badlands, eh? Okay. Let's mark out this mouth now. How's your morning been? Pretty good, my bro. Top. Top. And woohoo, my angle's on. Gotta appreciate a good woodwork. Hey, thank you, brother. Me too, and I didn't know I had to extract 2 teeth last year, and noises made me... Yeah, bro. Sadly, they delayed GTA 6 until next year, but who knows when they tell the truth. Yeah, bro. hopefully, you know, with them working on it some more. Yo, Bobley Swagger, full 20. Thank you very much for the 5 bomb, my friend. Appreciate you. Thank you very much, my brother. Thank you, thank you, thank you, brother. If you did get a gifted sub from the bro, please give him a thank you. Glaze them harder than a Krispy Kreme donut while you're at it as well, my friends. Thank you, brother. So, just little things on the face today, because there isn't really much to do on it. It's pretty much a straightforward mold. Hi from Germany, kia ora, bro. You know, when it comes to carving faces, there's always a kryptonite side, one that doesn't look good as the other side. And I think we're carving the kryptonite side, chat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Trying to get that hard roll on it like the other side. That was a great movie. They don't have to be twins. They can be. What kind of wood is that? This is rata, brother. R-A-T-A is how you spell it. It's one of our more hard timbers we have, and it is the exact same as my mallet, bro. So this here, it's the same timber. Only reason why my mallet's darker is because, you know, I use it. Hey, what's up, Loki? Yeah, brother, that's the only annoying part about this whole face is up the top here, because it's a grain change. But all that means is just, you know, putting more time into it. So just making sure we have that angle right around, right around. Japanese Shinto rasp. Oh, that sounds flash. Is it one of those little ones? Because I've been watching this Japanese woodcarver. Ah, his work is clean, man. It's like ridiculously clean. But that's how good it is. side is proving to be very difficult. Far out. Let me simmer for a bit, chat. Oh, that's annoying. Hold up. Ooh. Hold on now. All in here. Crap. Joe, brother Ed. Morning, my bro. Taking the work apron like the leather strips for tool placement. Yeah, bro. It was made for me by, as you can probably see, Aftershock. They are a PC company, and they made it specifically for me for PAX a couple weeks ago. Just that one little bit, man. Over here, as you can see. So our angles are all there. Our angles are here, chat. So it kind of don't really need to do anything else other than get this strip off right here, which is proving to be most annoying. How you, brother Ed? That's even better. Yeah. The Brock's logo has kind of fallen off, but it's alright. I'm not trying to keep this apron clean, I'm trying to get it worked. Okay. How am I going to take these off? Oh, yeah. It's just this one row, man. It's just the one, man. Goddamn. All good, brother. Have a good day. Thanks for dropping into the kick stream, my friend. this ain't it either. I'm trying to figure out what we can use. Just to get it less seen than it already is, you know? Alright, oh, that'll do. That'll do, donkey, that'll do. Okay, now we leave this section alone, full stop, okay? Leave it alone fully, alright? Leave it alone, leave it alone, leave it alone. Zelda music in the background is great. I appreciate it, brother. Thank you very much to Yasta231 for the follow. Sorry about that. Alright. Nostrils. How's everyone on YouTube doing, guys? You all good? Okay. Now I need my little 13. A 13 is a V chisel chat. It's the smallest one I have. This one that I'm looking for. So we're going to try and get into those little hard to reach areas. Or I can just use this actually. One moment. Yeah, so it's just a lot of little things on this carving today. Lot of little things, guys. And just marking out the parts in the nose here. So we'll get all of those done. Where's this damn chisel I'm looking for? God, so annoying. Oh, there it is. How we doing, chat? Hope everyone is enjoying themselves today. Chill vibes as usual. I'll most likely bring TikTok into the mix shortly. Just been charging my phone. It actually should be charged by now. Let me check. Alright, here we go. Yeah, we got a little bit of Zelda music vibes going on today, my bro. I tend to, like if I'm live on YouTube, I try and make sure to play game music only, because it's the safest. It's kind of the safest thing to play. Man, you could narrate. I should try and do one, eh? That would be actually content, eh? Narrating a nature show. The most dangerous animal on this planet. The streamer. They come in many different sizes, different smells, different hygiene. All in all, the streamer. Hope you're in a minute. Hey, what up, Spice Junkie? Hope you're doing good, my brother. Spy planes. I live close to the airport. Big David Attenborough fan myself. Here we have the animals congregating in the water hole. The dominant male. Alright, I need another chisel for this, so we are going to use something called a waiwaikuri. A waiwaikuri is basically dog's leg. Thank you very much, Hannibal Rising, for the Optimus Prime. Just marking out the hoopies chip. The most dangerous animal on this planet. Joe Baxter, how you doing, brother? Much better. Much better. Kia ora, Bulavidaka cuz from Fiji, living in the Fijian. Oi! What you doing over in the US, my brother? Bulavidaka, my bro. Yeah, much love, brother. What does T1 Galileo mean? Well, it's just me huffing copium, hoping that Faker chooses Galileo to be his signature skin for winning worlds this year. Just putting the vibes out there and hoping that they reach Faker. Why that skin? Because I play Galileo. I main Galileo. I've been maining him since he used to be shit back in the day. Thank you for the car pies, AJ. Hello from Iceland. I saw your videos and I love your kindness. You're like me. Hey, what's the time in Iceland, brother? I'd love to go there one day. That's genuinely one of the places I'd like to go to. When she travelled with a singing group called the Continentals, while she was there and brought them back. They still hang in the home today. Oh, that's cool, brother. Nice, Hannibal. She said New Zealand was one of her top 3 places to travel. Oh, cool. I wonder if she ever came to Rotorua. Well, that's where I live. Oh, that's a cool story, brother. Shout out to your mum. Okay, there we go. Thank you, Spy Quaza, for the roses. Kia ora, kia ora. It's great. I recommend it. Don't wait too long, brother. Really? Okay. Every time, you know, anything from Iceland pops up on my TikTok, it's always that waterfall, bro. There's like a specific waterfall there. And every time, bro, yeah, it's that waterfall. So I don't know if it's calling out to me to come over and see it, but I definitely want to. Love your work, love the personality, bro. Keep it up. Thank you very much, Milan. Keep V. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. Hey, brother, I'm watching you in a plane with no headphones. You're watching me in a plane with no headphones? Make sure you hide that double-ended dildo in your bag next to your gun. No. I'm sorry. How can you not? Crocinator! The Crocinator! Thank you very much for the tier 1, brother. Where did you say you lived? Rotorua. Thank you, hey, brother Sturdy. How are you, my brother? Thank you for the T-Bone. If you got one of those, please glaze them harder than a Krispy Kreme donut. If you want, go and kiss a block of butter in his name too. How are you, my brother? Hope you and the fams are well, my bro. I haven't had any carbs this morning, so I'm not tweaking. Yeah, Rotorua, Rotorua is where I live. Does not putting, that's the thing, Keefe, planes have Wi-Fi. I was on a plane with Wi-Fi and it was weird, because you know I've seen so many plane movies where they turn their phone off flight mode and then it instantly falls down and they all, you know, crash and burn, but I did it anyway. A little under the weather, brother, but other than that, how you been, brother? Looking forward to checking out the first podcast episode. I'm nervous, bro. I'm nervous as hell for it. Because, you know, it's not flashy. It doesn't have any intros. It's just me. Me and the bros having yarns. If you want to get on it too, brother, or if anyone in the chat wants to get on it, feel free to hit me up. Remember, I'm out here trying to have a yarn with people from the communities, or from, you know, from all the platforms we're on. Where's your favorite meat pie? Now whenever I see meat, I think spin. I don't know, Father, you should try these. There's this company here called Fat Bastard Pies, bro, they're so good. GD Craze, thank you for the Optimus Prime as well. Hello from Belgium. Hello, brother. Yeah, I'll be honest, I'd like to have an intro for my stream or for the podcast. Yeah, I'm a pretty basic guy, brother. I like my steak and cheese, my bro. Shit, is that a video incoming? Incoming video? Get a steak and cheese pie from different bakeries and try them? Question mark? How's life? Life has been good, brother. Slow and steady, which is my favorite. I wish meat pies were popular here. They are... Where are you, Crocinator? Are you in America? I feel like Crocinator's from Florida. Those guys like having dinner with alligators and crocodiles, eh? They are nice, bro. Waterfalls are great, and there are a lot of tourists at the time. I think, for me, like personally, if I go traveling, I would personally like to learn more about the history of the places, rather than being on tour, or like I guess, you know, doing all the tourist stuff is the best. But, you know, connecting with locals as well, in order to learn, like, the history from the people kind of thing. NZ, is it true that NZ pies are better? I live in NZ, so yes, it is true. Why am I saying that? Pure biased. That's why. I had the opportunity to try one in Australia and I fully forgot. Thank you, brother Nathan. Nehana. Oh, you're in California. Oh, close enough. What's in your fella's sewers, my bro? Make homemade food shots one day. Yeah, bro. Definitely. Yeah, let's we'll have to do a YouTube video trying different steak and cheese pies. Shout out to my boy Tim Provides as well, who does the bakery runs, and my boy Jimmy Jackson, who does pie reviews as well. But I will do this pie video on a cheat day. I'm trying to stick to my figure, you know, trying to get you know, smaller than right now. So we started at 146 kgs, we're at 138 now. I'm still gunning to try and lose 20 in before the end of the year. I reckon I can do it without jumping in a sauna. But I reckon I can do it. Oi! Yo, Tux! Here's somebody to get some meat pies and red. Oh, I'll definitely use that for the video, my bro. Bula vinaka, my brother. Sorry, I'm saying hello to you. Sorry, my brother. Thank you, my bro. Appreciate the $20 on YouTube, my brother. What are you making? We are carving something called a tiki. T-I-K-I is how you spell it. So with this carving, it can represent a couple things. From an ancestor. We name our tikis after our ancestors. And it is a sign or a mark of fertility as well. So you'll see a lot of mothers wearing it too. Then again, it is situated in the garden as well. Yeah, I heard we're making the rounds on Reddit again. Oh, shame. I only know because of XQC. Well, he reacted to one of our more modern, up-to-date videos, not so much the 2021. Oh, that's actually a dumb angle for TikTok. Sorry, TikTok. He's all good. Who did your tamako as well? My cousin Te Wihi. Boy. Hey, you brother Chris. Same here, lost 6 kgs, 11 more to go. W-Mans, my brother. W-Mans. Adelstein, thank you very much for the 99 cents, or is that $1? I think that's $1. Thank you, brother. That's a nice way to hear stories just go somewhere. Yeah, bro. So that's kind of how I guess I roll. Because I know, you know, listening to the history from the people who live there, not taking away from tour guides, would be cool. Smarking out our mouth, ladies and gentlemen. New to your streams, but I love it already. Oh, welcome, my bro. My name is Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. I stay on brand by touching wood in the morning. Literally, my bro. Not in a break the rules kind of way, though. There will be only the beating of timber, not the beating of, I don't know, sirloin offcuts. Meat is what I'm trying to say. They are more on brand than the Gooners, my bro. How did you get into carving? And were you always good at it? So, my uncle was legit the one that kind of opened the realm of Whakairo to me. It was back in primary school. Every Friday, we'd have classes outside of the normal curriculum. And this was one of them. And the level of carving I had back then was nothing. And to this day I still have my first carving as well. I always go to it as a reminder of where I started when I'm at my mum's, because she's the one that has it. I gave it to her when I left home at 16. And yeah, she's had it ever since. Was I on the same? No. I was not on the same level as I am today, for obvious reasons, you know, time, committing to it, pretty much, my brother. But I started when I was 12 and now I'm 34. 34 years old. And this is something I absolutely love doing, brother. Especially when it comes to my culture as well. So in my culture we didn't have a written language. We had more of a, or we were more of an oral culture, like speaking to one another. That's why I enjoy making that genuine connection more than having a shop. Call me old fashioned. But it was a lot of you know, storytelling and face to face kind of thing. And through these things called wānanga, which are like houses of learning, where people will come together and learn from our elders and whatnot, in like a traditional setup. So in a sense it was like that, brother. I mean, it still is today. It's still a way our people like pass on said knowledge as well. Have you ever made any weapons? Yeah, I've done a few. Mariomi, thank you very much for the raid over on Twitch. Kia ora. Nice to meet you. And your community as well. No mai haere mai, welcome. Welcome through. Bro moved out at 16. No, the reason why I moved is because the school, I was at high school obviously. And I felt like I wasn't getting anywhere education wise, so I asked my auntie who lived here at the time if I could move in with her and finish my high school year here in Rotorua. And it was good. It was beneficial for me. Back in the day when I was young, I was a hermit. I never liked going outside of my hometown. I stayed home majority of the time, and it was a culture shock for me too, moving to, you know, a city, not a big city. And just in general, it helped me in general too. Because I was that guy, I was too shy to even talk to the McDonald's worker to order something. That's how bad my social skills were. That's how bad they were. Thank you very much, Zero, for the 29 roses. Aiden's World as well. Has it changed since it was colonized? The art form? No. It's only gotten more intricate since old Captain Hawaiian Barbecue brought the chisel over. Kia ora NZ Frog. Thank you very much for the rose, my bro. It's beautiful, brother. I love the story. I respect you. Thank you, brother. Yeah, so on my grandfather's side, I'm a 4th generation carver. On my grandmother's, I'm a second generation. So there was a big gap in between my grandmother's genealogy until I moved here. And then when my grandfather, my nan's cousin, caught wind of that, he pretty much, you know, had been teaching me about the history. But at the same time, that's why I moved here too, to learn my grandmother's genealogy. Thank you, is it Darren for the 40 roses, and Mitchie Parker with the confetti. Pan, thank you very much for the cats too. So yeah, something I saw growing up with my cousins is that no one genuinely knew my grandmother's whakapapa or genealogy. And that was one of the other reasons why I moved out of home too. So I was living with my nan at the time. And my mum had moved back to where I'm from. Yeah, I pretty much told her I need to go. I feel like I'm not getting any smarter. I feel like my life's not going anywhere living up here. And it was one of the best decisions I made when I was 16. Then I moved here, and then, you know, all these opportunities were starting to come up, like from school, from high school, my last year, and then eventually graduating. The only one to graduate out of all 3 of my cousins, by the way. Why did I stay in school? Because I wanted to flex on them. I wanted to be the difference, pretty much. That's always been me as a person. Be the difference, go against the grain. And yeah, pretty much here we are today. What do you think? Oh, I hope you... I don't even know who that is. Sorry, bro. I don't watch TV. 4010 out. Thank you for the windows. Oh, which star? Oh, Night Star. Oh, sorry, brother. Thank you very much for the Night Stars, my bro. XQC reacted to you. Just saw your reaction. Oh yeah, we uploaded it. You uploaded it. Yeah, that was a surprise. XQC like, you know, being amazed by what I do. I didn't think he would be at all. Well, any big streamer these days. Thank you for 10. What video games have I been playing? So I've been since Worlds I got back into League of Legends. I just started playing it hardcore just so I could get that Pax Siva skin. I got it last night. It is a rare skin that has not been out for a very long time. So yeah, if you want Pax Siva, now's the time to get it. Thanks to Guma. Are you located in New Zealand? Yeah, I am, brother. I am. What else have I been playing? A little bit of GTA RP. I've got Dispatch, so I want to play that, but I want to have a free day in order to play it. Thank you, brother Jay, for the 50 roses, my bro. Yeah, I want to get into Dispatch because it looks cool. I've stayed away from everyone playing it just so it doesn't affect my playthrough. Thank you, Neil Bell. Kia ora, brother. Neb, thank you for the roses. We'll get back to it soon, guys. I just want to have a yarn with you guys before we start. Again. Thank you, brother Neb. Dispatch is fun. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I've pretty much stayed away from all the playthroughs. I've seen images on Twitter. I just hope you can romance the demon lady. Don't tell me, though. You know, don't tell me. But yeah, if we see Demon Lady on the screen, full glaze. But she reminds me of Karlak. What's the coolest thing you've carved out of wood? Well, I did a fully designed eggplant on a base with a helm for the bro's birthday. Yeah, it had veins and everything on it. carver's tradition back when I was in the carving school. Okay, I'm yapping now. Let's get back into it, eh? We are going to start doing the waha, or the mouth. Hold on, let me just fix this up. What are you carving right now? We are doing a tiki, my friend. Afterwards, I'm going to New Zealand. Oh, when? Finishing high school this year. Nice, bro. Congratulations. I remember when I finished high school. I was like, far, it's actually finished. We've come to the end of it. Bro, I really want to get back into Arc Raiders, eh? I want to make some content with the proximity chat. I come across one guy last night after my game of League. He's like, who's out there? I said, I'm looking for a meal. A succulent meal. And he just started cracking up laughing. Yo, Tommy, thank you for the 9 roses, my bro. Holly, you got people from Sweden? Yeah, people from all over the world are watching. If you want, drop where you're from. Is New Zealand a good place to live in? It's alright, it's not the best. You know, the slogan says 99% pure, but that's a crock of shit. Neb, thank you for the 40 roses. South Africa, Jamaica. Who have we got over here? Thank you, Ali. Had some crack up interactions with Prox and chat. Yeah, bro, Prox chat on Arc is funny, bro. Michigan, Australia, NZ Sweden. Thank you very much, AJ. Christchurch, the US on YouTube. You cooking Dallas, US, kia ora brother. St. Lucia, where's that? The UK? It's late in the UK, eh? No, I'm touching wood. Sensational wood touching today. No cooking. Although we are getting a barbecue to do some barbecue streams too, because ain't no way I'm cooking inside through the summer. Austria. Where are we? What wood is good for whittling? One you don't have to pay for, and probably a soft one, my bro. Oh, it's in the Caribbean. Sheesh. Metu, huh? Okay. Here we are. So what we're going to do is what is going on here? One moment. Our measurements are all out of whack, so let me fix these up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, fix it. Okay. All done. Okay. Just making sure I mark everything out as symmetrical as possible, chat. Boom. Now it's fixed. Okay. Mark out the mouth. Yo, Smokey, thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. I just saw it. Joshi and also Dekanai as well. Thank you for the roses. My exchange in NZ. Oh, true, brother Ben. When was that, my bro? What was being an exchange student like, brother? Especially in another country, eh? Man, straight up props to everyone that does that, man. I'm too scared. Oh, Smokey! Bro! Thank you very much for yet another. Are you related to the Nuku whānau? Nope, but I do know a Nuku. The work is incredible. Thank you, my brother. Smokey, bro. With a third galaxy. What the hell's going on? Thank you, Smokey, and also Mossy. Is that a shark or a dolphin? Oh, that's a shark. Thank you very much for the roses, brother. That's enough, Smokey. Thank you very, very much, my bro. Cut and chat. So there's about 3 different levels that we're going to be doing in the mouth. We'll just do one side for now, okay? Kia ora, kia ora. How are we doing, TikTok? I saw 2 kia oras in the chat. Hope everyone is well. Where's our grain going? Not that way. Come on now. Here we go. So we're dropping all of this down for now. Let's get it nice and flat. Then what we're going to do is get our pencil. Okay. Get our pencil. Put our marks in. So we're doing the mouth, a tooth on the side, and the tongue, okay? So that's pretty much what we're up to on this. So one level, second level, the tongue will be the third, okay? Sorry guys, just hit the camera. So you can kind of see it all start to unfold now. Hey you Stash, beautiful work, appreciate you my brother. What type of wood are you using? So this is rata. Rata is pretty much this timber here. It's a hardwood, and this is what my mallet's made out of too. Only reason why it's got different colours just because I've used it over the years. Just been used basically. Yeah. But yeah, here we are my friend. Chipping away at the waha now, or at the mouth of this carving. So normally with the tiki mouth as well. So I'd actually just have a light bevel here on the mouth, and I'd mold the rest of this face into the eye. That is another option that we can do as well. My head's a little bit pointy. Okay, how you I've hugged fanboys? How you brother? Fascinating, thank you brother. So you will definitely get a full mask if you saw Vladimir IRL. If you know Vladimir. Yeah, I'm aware of your 12-year-old comment. You're going for the fug. Not the first one, brother. Which way is the grain? So the grain is going this way on this section. All on this side of the face, the grain's going this way. On that side of the face, it's going that way. Which is, has its annoyances, but it's not hard to overcome. Go. Looks great, brother. Thank you very much, sir. This would have been a good time-lapse video to capture from multiple angles. Okay. So this could be a different, way altogether. Feels like a warm giant. Much like Bella. Fee, fi, fo, fum. I'm gonna stick it in your... B-U-M. He's like, oh, there goes the friendly giant part. Sorry guys, I'm a bit of a smart ass too, so it's gonna happen. I'm here to provide laughs, okay? Provide laughs and have a good day. Well, what is this? Arata, my bro. R-A-T-A. Thank you, Azorus, for the gifties, and Skell as well. Skelly, sorry. Sorry, I got your name wrong, my bro. Mark out this mouth now, this side of the mouth. Where did I put the pencil, guys? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we lost it already. Oh, piss off. Did you guys see what I did with it? Oh, no. Oh, I lost it again. Bro, I just had it, eh? What did I do with it? Appear in front of me, please. I command you to appear in front of me now. Damn, thought that would work. Like, genuinely don't know what I did with it, bro. Fuck! Oh, there it is. Woo! It was under about 3 chisels. Saved. Okay. Let's put it in the open, eh? Te whai whai ana Marika rika maina. Okay. Oe oe ka nui te aroha. Nau mai e nai iwi. Haere mai ki roto rua. Mātaki mai nei. Te iwi Maori e. He vati na hopoi. Vati na hope. Kai roto rua. Te ruku ka pae. Kai roto rua. Pepe ni hakae. Oh, someone's doing some kung fu shit with a pole on the road. Yo, what up, chef? Got me my first sweat lobby in BF6. Both sides insane. My name went from 9th to 27. Oh, 26. God damn, bro. I still need to get Battlefield, eh? I downloaded Battlefield, is it Red Sec last night? Give that a go. Give that a go. Yeah. Okay. So what we need to do now is clean in here. Okay? Yo! Doga... Ooh, how do I say this name? Doga Ergovink. Thank you very much for the 2 months as an Optimus Prime. Have a good day. You have an even better day, my friend. You have an even better day, my brother. Not a fan of BRs these days. Yeah, it's just till I decide to get Battlefield. Pretty much. Kia ora, Ash Rogers, tēnā koe. Alright, now we are going to do the arero. Pretty chill stuff, chat. Nothing too crazy. It's just all about marking it out for now. Hey, right back at you, brother Caden. Right back at you, my bro. It's fascinating. Hey, thank you, man. Dad Gron. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my friend. No, my hi to my welcome to the stream as well. Let me just drop this down, chat. So I'm still, we're still rough molding. Still doing a bit of rough molding here. But I'm just like setting levels right now. That's all I'm doing. Now where's the bloody chisel I need? Here it is. So I'll do this and then take it out of the vise so we can show you guys, eh? Yo, Cafe. How do I say that? Decodane? Thank you very much for the raid. Kia ora, welcome. My name is Brooks. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. I've been carving since the age of 12. Since then, and now, well, I'm 34. This is what I love to do. Just showcase my culture on my channel as well. All in all, I hope you had a wonderful stream. Welcome on through. And if you have any questions as well, feel free to ask. That goes to anyone that's tuning in on all the platforms today too. I'm just trying to get this mouth out of the way. Or set, I should say. I hope you had a wonderful stream, and welcome to you and your community. What did you get up to today? Moment. Come on, you stubborn thingy. There we go. Alright, let's take it out of the vise so we can show you. Still, you know, it's still a bit rough, but you can kind of see where we're going. There it is there. So all we've been doing today is just working on the face so far, okay? That's legit what we've been doing. Now you can see the mouth is starting to like come together, the face. It's a pretty straightforward kind of Mania face. What do you reckon? Who's been here? Oh, there's probably a few people that have been here since the start, eh? Or the start of it all. Raid from France. Oh, kia ora, France. Can go and relax to the sweet sounds of Bronx. Hey, welcome through everyone from France as well. Did you stream during lockdown? Yeah, I did. I did. Well, I just started streaming properly back then. Love from the UK. Love from Scotland, UK. Welcome through, brother. Just letting you know I found you. Second in the description told me. And here I am. Hey, welcome Jamie over on YouTube. Welcome, welcome. So there you go. You can start to see it unfolding now. There's the face there. Just showed up in my recommended for the first time in years or so. Hey, what's up, brother? How are you, my bro? Yeah, so we just started carving the mouth, or the tongue, or the mouth, the whole thing, like from all different levels, really. So we just started doing that today. Still got a bit more to do before we move on and then do something else. Hey, there's a couple, bro. Those have been there for ages. Those emotes have been there for a long time. Wait, can you upload emotes on YouTube? Surely. Yeah, those have been there for ages, bro. Like, when did we get those done? I want to say March. March? I'm thinking March, yeah. Yeah, I think we got those done back then. I remember your videos from 2020. Yeah, bro. It's that was definitely a hardcore time in the stream's history, 2020. Like with all the lockdowns, and then the clip that went viral, and yeah, that was a scary time for me too. I didn't think I'd ever become a recognized streamer at all. It was never something I thought would happen in my wildest dreams. But yeah, no, here we are, brother. 5 years later. It's crazy. 5 years later, my bro. I'm just trying to get some good angles for you guys. Somehow. It's always hard navigating two tripods. Incredible journey, brother. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, just trying to go as hard as I can for everyone that supports me. On Monday, TikTok, if you didn't know. I'm going to be releasing the first episode of this podcast I'm trying to do for fun. It's not any like... It's just for fun, that's all it is. Just trying something new. And the main reason why I'm doing it is just to get to know like some of the people within the community more over the years. You have unique stories as well. Connect with everyone. So I've been so busy with other stuff. We've got like a couple, like 3. I've even put one of myself in the mix too. Like it's kind of like a updated one of what are we up to today kind of thing. That's my goal for next year, is to put more time into YouTube as well. Because all I've been doing on my channel has been posting shorts, and they've been doing pretty well, I must say. Where can I find the podcast? On my YouTube channel, so it's just under Brooks. There should be a link to it in my bio, or not a link, but the name of it where you can find it. My slogan is, if I can get 1 subscriber a day, then that is a W. If I can get more than 1, goddamn. We are ascending, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, thank you, brothers. Damn, we're getting 2 follows today on YouTube. Hey, let's go. So yeah, I've got a few videos planned too. It's gonna be around my culture as well. Just showcasing a few things here in Rotorua. I'm going to be uploading a few clips from my honeymoon too, from the time we went to Queenstown. Me and my wife. Just because they're better to be on my channel than, you know, in my camera where they've been the whole time. I think one of these would make a great present. Yeah, brother. Shit, even I'd like one. But obviously not this one, because I'm making it. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this piece yet. I've had a few people ask about it. It's very hard. I'm a little attached to it because I haven't done one of these in years, but it's better off with someone else other than me because I can make them anyway. You doing well? Yeah, brother. Yeah, brother Chef. I'm doing all good. Or are you talking to Sturdy? Could be talking to Sturdy. Yeah, so it's just a matter of wondering what to do. Or who knows? Shit, we might have to have should have planned it better, eh? I wish I had time to plan some Christmas stuff to do with you guys, but I've been so flat out. I haven't really had any time to. Doing well, Brooks? Yeah, brother, I am. Glad to see you doing well. Thank you, brother. So all in all with the mold of this face, with this face here, that's pretty much it. That's it. Yo, Battle Tanker, in terms of like the mold, that's pretty much this particular style of face for a tiki as a whole. How you been, Battle Tanker? That's why I did it, like straightforward, straight up and down, no hardcore stuff to do. I guess the only changes you could do if you wanted to is you could do the same tongue and then you could make it go up this way and then over the eye or something. Just, you know, do your creative thing to it. But yeah, that's pretty much how this tongue is. This Ariro, pretty exhausted. Last week oh, he's still moving, my bro. Love from England. Much love, my brother. What's up, Jordan? I'm doing good, my bro. Next year, I think what I want to focus on next year as a streamer is collaborating. But yeah, once again, my other focus next year is going to be YouTube for sure. YouTube! Get videos out as much as I can. Here we go. Hey, it's been a long time. How you been, brother? Whakairo, yep. That's it, my bro. Or traditional Maori wood carving, if you want to say that. Literally listening to the same soundtrack at home right now. Are you, brother? I have not played Skyrim in a hot minute though. Oh shit. Now we're getting somewhere. Moved out of the place with the man flu too. Don't recommend. Oi oi oi, my bro. Bugger that. Okay. Line this up. Line that up. It is the same. Okay. Oh. Sorry, just all these little things, chat. Kind of try and take my time with. A lot of back and forward. Oh shit. Okay. This grain, bro. Blow my nose. Oh. Whew. How are we doing, chat? Better check up on you since I've been so locked in on this. Hey, what's good, brother? Morning, Whoopsie. Whoopsie Daisy. Could do a nice weekend away camping. Bro, that sounds good. I'd love to do that myself as well. but not allowed. Gotta go and celebrate daughter's birthday with in-laws this weekend. So we gonna be busy. Yeah, my daughter turned 5 this week. Our second child, mine and my wife's. Pretty easygoing kid. All she wants is to eat birthday food with all her cousins. And she wants king prawns. Loves her king prawns, that kid. Sturdy needs a hand. Oh, is it still morning in Brisbane? Chair. Kind of tools do you use, mate? So majority of the time I'm using chisels, my bro. Sometimes, you know, I'll use the odd power tool here and there just to save time. But majority of the time, yeah, this has all been done by just with a chisel. All of that. That's sick, bro. Thank you, brother. So all done by a chisel. The whole thing. What we're doing right now is just working on the face. Just all in this section here. That's the part where all our attention is right now. So currently... Yo, Mr. Randy Rules 7. Thank you for the Optimus Prime, brother. Appreciate you. So what our plan is right now is to mark out the mouth. So that's currently what we're doing as of this moment. One thing I have to do as well is cut a bit of this jaw off. So I'm looking at the angle now, and it's still round over here. So it's still round, but the other one's quite straight. So that's something else that we have to do right now too. Tell us what's going on. We are molding this tiki, my bro. That's what we're up to. Hey, what's up, Shane? I was thinking the same thing. Yeah. Okay. Alright. How you been, bro? You know what? I'll come over and fix it. Do it then. Do it then, brother. Okay, here we go. Okay. Right here. Thought something was throwing me off. Just didn't look at it from the right angle. Nah. Okay, there we go. Much better. The angle is fixed from this, like looking down at it now. Looks much better. Do you have an online store? No, I don't, brother. I prefer to do things through genuine connection. First date with my missus made chicken schnitzel with mushroom sauce, mash, roast honey, carrots and steamed broccoli. Fuck, that sounds mean. If you do a crazy 3-course short, bro, I could never do a 3-course meal because I wouldn't want to do all the dishes. I could never. You know what though? You look like you on the right track. I'll check supervise here. This can. I don't want to talk about this as brother. Same. And you know what's even worse, bro? When the kids want to help and they've got to take extra long. Oh. It's okay, Dad, we're doing them together. Yeah, but I could have done them fast, so I could have been faster sitting back on my ass again. Feel me? Okay. Oh shit. I might just do one eye, eh? One eye maybe? Yeah, I'll put the water on for the dishes. I still have a feeling in my hands now. I think. Bro, hey, the lava. Beautiful, yeah, hitting it. Yeah, I don't really do online stores, my bro. Sorry. I prefer to do things like just how we are now for a genuine connection, and then speaking in the Discord. I know a shop would probably be way better, but call me old-fashioned, but I prefer that connection more than the transaction. As beneficial as it may be to getting me into and my family into a house. Hey King, love your content. Appreciate you, my brother. Have you had a hangi or a fry bed Maori burger? They make those here. They make those here in Rotorua. I'll be honest, I'm sick of hangi. Everyone's always shocked by that, but I'm like, just over it. You can legit Uber it here. So, hangi once a year is where it's at. Yeah, bro. Anything over there, bro? Nah. Hope you're doing well today. Yeah, doing well, brother. Right back at you though, my bro. I'm like, nah, where's the steam pudding at though? Yeah, bro, I love steam pudding, eh? How good? How good? Wondering if I want to undermine the seed. Nah, better not. That's just creating more work. So, pretty much all we got to start thinking about now, chat. Oh, there's a goodie here. One moment. What is this? Hold on, chat. We got something, and I don't know what it is. Hold up. Let's see what it is, eh? What is that? I can't see in it. I might keep the bubble wrap though. Yeah, we got something, Whānau. I don't know what it is though. What the hell is this? What do we have here? Oh my fucking gosh! It's a fight stick. It's from Aftershock. Holy shit! No wonder they asked me if it... They sent me a fight stick. Holy shit! I sure hope the missus didn't order you Christmas. No, this is from Aftershock. Oh! I didn't ask for this. It's a fight stick. So, it's like an old school kid. Yo, Aftershock sent me this. Damn, ticket stream. Oh, I was thinking 2XKO first. They did ask me about it, but I was just blatant and I went, no. Because they asked what fighting games I'm playing. I went, oh, just 2XKO and ticking now that Armor King's out. Yo! Hey, what up, Villa? Yeah, it's the Flash bubble wrap, eh? This ain't the one you get from the warehouse. Yeah, I'm gonna keep these for carvings that I have to send out of the country. And I might keep the box too, because it's good. I could probably send the hook away with that box, so I'll hold on to that. Yo, thank you, Aftershock. Damn, early Christmas present, guys. Oh, you can switch between. Look, it's got up here. It's got Android switch, PS5, PS4, PS3, retro. So it's got like different settings for what console. Damn! I better get a clip of that, eh? Beyond for you, but I have no idea. Nah, you're good, bro. How are you liking 2XKO? It's cool. It's cool. One of my things I hope for 2XKO is if they release Udia, that he, instead of having an ultimate, it's a stance changer for all the stances that he has, and it'll change up his fighting style completely if they were to add Udia in. And I'm waiting for Jax as well, and Galio. Your vids are sick. Thank you, brother. Damn, that's actually a good box to send the carving away in too. Hopefully we'll check to see if aloha from Hawaii. Hey, aloha kakahiaka. How you doing, brother? Hopefully Trump has changed his mind, and yeah, we can start sending these 2 pieces that I have out. Damn, thank you, Aftershock. Didn't know they were sending that. Oh my days. I'll put this. I can't. Damn. They treated me very well. Holy. They are sending me something, but it hasn't turned up yet. It just cleared customs. They're sending me a PC as well, as a thank you for carving one of the panels for their PCs. Man, that's crazy. That is crazy. Whew. Thank you, Lomo, for the follow on kick. Did you still have? Yeah. I still have a PC coming, bro. I'll most likely be doing like dual PC streaming when I can figure it out, or I might unbox it and not use it for a bit, because I still really need to bloody I just need an office of my own. Hence the reason why I'm saving for a house. Who did you carve the PC panel for? Aftershock PC. I did it for them, my bro. Make the bottle do a backflip. I don't even think I can. I'll have a try. There we go. Feel like I got challenged, so I gotta give it a go. See if I can do it. This is too much. Hold up. I don't really do this. It's too high. Oh. See what you've started? No, I won't want to do anything else other than this. Hold on. Oh. See, look what you've started. slippery surface, eh? Here we go. Ah. Fuck! I think it's too light. Bro. Here we go, here we go. Ooh. Come on, come on, come on, come on. See, bro, slippery. Oh! Here we go. Can someone keep count? Here you go. He lines it up. He lines it up. He lines it up again. Here we go. I might need to add some more liquid. He lines it up again. Ready? Shoo. I should probably do it on the ground, eh? Let's see if I can get it on the ground. Oh! Too much swing. There you go. Can you get it on the ground? I'm determined now. I don't want to start carving again until I get it. Oh. Here we go. Okay, I like it when it falls like this so I don't have to bend down. Here we go. Shout out to Body Armor Light. Brother! Oh! I'm determined. I'm not giving up. Any pussies give up. It's too light, but I'm not gonna change it. I'm not gonna change it. Okay. Sorry guys. Blame TikTok for this. Wait. Shoo. Shoo. Oh. Okay. Shoot. Ah, come on. Oh. Yeah, it needs that extra bit of weight. Doesn't help I'm doing it on a slippery surface, but hey, who cares? Oh! Mother sucker! Jermo, bro, how are you? Okay, I like it when it falls close to me, okay? That's right. That's right. Like I always said, only pussies quit. You know, when someone challenges me, I get like those hories out in the hood. They go, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. And they don't even throw a punch. There it is. Oh! We got. Thank you for the $10.
Anonymous tipped $10. Thank you for being an awesome person.
Hey, thank you, brother. I'm just glad we got the bottle flip. We got it. We got it. Hey. We got the goddamn bottle flip. 34 years old. 3, 4. This is why we watch. Okay? This is why we watch. I almost smack myself in the face. Determination is key. Cheers. Body armor light has been conquered. W. W. Okay, I'll put it in the bin. I'm a clean person. You stick to it, and you'll get it. What about the back-to-back? I just drank it and put it in the bin. You gonna watch? Well, what's the next UFC thing? Was the drink well mixed after all that flipping? It was actually quite good. Okay, I need that. I need that as a clip. I need that. Get that clip today of all the bottle flipping. What's the timestamp on the stream? 2 hours and 24. So we'll go 2 hours 19. Thank you for the gifties. Tēnā koe. Can you show us a necklace you made? I haven't got a necklace. Was this leading into a dick joke? Already in the Discord? My man. Did you get all 10 minutes of it? I wasn't losing hope. I was like, no, I'm not carrying on till I get it, man. Love you, Broxy, and I love you too, my friend. Where are we? If more people in the world had your vibe, the world would be a much better place. I'll tell you what, there's only one way for the world to get better. People just gotta stop being less of a cunt. Not trying to aim at America. I know it's a very bad word for Americans. It's a normal word here and in Australia. Yeah, if people stop deep-throating being assholes, because I know everyone gets a hard-on for being an asshole these days. Oh, you know, I think the world will be a bit better. Pretty sure you flipped the first try, and that's why I love you specifically. Giant power! Thank you for the Optimus Prime, my friend. Please do aim at America. Oh, the only thing I aim at America is that the aliens like yous more, because yous have I don't know. I guess aliens just like people's bums in America more. If you think about it, all the aliens go over there. Yo, brother Zach, thank you very much for the gifties, my bro. I don't know what it is, you know. Thank you very much, brother Hunter, as well. I'm just so glad I got it live, eh? Fuck, I do not want to be NZ is safe from alien invasion. Oh, I don't think I don't think they care over here, but they're always in America, man. Thank you, Chavez and Hunter, and also 44 or 444 Kyle. Me and my friend Kyle right here. We're walking down a long and lonesome road. How you doing, brother? Thank you for the brand new tier 1. Welcome, 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 my friend. I only met one asshole in NZ who was local. Yeah, there's some here as well. KB, well, I was there though. Yeah, trust me, bro. You know, people say, oh, New Zealand is a nice place, there's lots of nice people here. Oh, there's a lot of assholes here as well. Just like any other place in the world, my friend. Because food is crazy. No, people at this point, don't say that. I just say it for the memes. Please stick to carving. I probably will, my friend. I just felt called out, so I was determined to get that bottle flip. That's why I done it. Sup, Rangi? What's up, gentleman 330? More water needed. Yo, Giant Power! Thank you very much for gifting someone a sub, my friend. If you do get a gifted sub on Twitch Kick, please make sure you say thank you to the gifters as well. What are you doing right now? Well, I'm just, taking in the victory that I acquired through bottle flipping right now and having a rest and talking to you guys. So soaking it all in, taking the W, okay? How do you deal with your grandmother in her last moments? Fuck, that was hard, bro. I remember that day, like, whew. The only thing I told her is that I'll do my best. And then when we came back the next day, and then like just a minute before, that's when she passed. Yeah, bro. It's like it's a moment in my brain that's always, I think about it every day. Like those conversations I had with my grandmother, before she eventually passed. Like even as you all know, with my sister too, when in her final moments, as I was there. I can remember that as clear as day. Don't say Twitch on the live, you're gonna get banned. Oh really? Oh, I've been saying it for about 2 months. Really? Is that a thing now? Say purple app. I'll say baller gang. That's new. I've been saying that for about 2 months. Hey mate, just came across an older short of it on YouTube. Keep up the attitude, you're great. Hey, thank you, brother. Nah, always, my bro. Like I always say, I'll never change. The only thing I'll change is my undies. Can't go past 2 days on those. Only one if I go to the gym, okay? Only one. They get a bit, zesty after a gym session. Yo bro, been a fan for mad long. First time catching a stream, super happy. Welcome through, brother, welcome through. Just remember, brother, if you have any questions too, feel free to ask. I'm always here, my bro. Just go message mine is at the moment. Oh true, you should go, brother, if you can. Don't tune into the stream if you gotta go Nan, my bro. I always want you to choose Nan over me. Kia ora means hello. The wise man has passed on his... Oh, boy, are you calling me Paul Heyman? How does he come out? I am Paul Heyman. ECW, ECW. I actually don't watch Paul Heyman, eh? I don't think I ever have. What would be your wise words for everyone for this weekend? Don't go drinking. Why waste your weekend drinking when you can do something creative and get more progress in your life throughout the weekend? These days, people are too busy flexing how they drunk on the weekend when they could be more productive. Be more productive. Be the one that goes against the current. Oh, 4 hours away, my bro. Oh, damn. This man is a god. I'm just a semi-fat, semi-skinny 34-year-old dad. That loves to woodcarve. Counter, beer with the boys. Even I don't do that, eh? Hell yeah, be a salmon in a river. You know what happens to a salmon in a river, eh? Beer or sushi. Like a tattoo. So this represents my family, brother, and where I'm from. This one here. So that's I got this when I was 30, pretty much. So this is my grandfather and my grandmother here. That's my mum. That's my wife, our eldest daughter, our second daughter, and I've got to get an extension for the baby. Underneath here, that's my sister, my only blood relative, or my only blood sibling. Why she's underneath is because, you know, in this world we can't see her. Hence the reason why she's tucked away. Baby boy or girl. I'm a girl dad, brother. And well, my wife got a reading from, sorry for going off, from one of the aunties, and she went through all their kids from my wife's siblings, and she said, she touched her and she goes, you're going to have 3 girls and 1 boy, and she goes, should we have another? Like, in this day and age, I'm like, fuck off, I don't want another one. I said, when I hit 35, no more kids. Yeah, no, I love my girls, bro. It's yeah, she had a reading saying you're gonna have 3 girls and 1 boy. So, 3's enough. I don't need another one. I want a dog. I hope JDM wins this weekend. JDM, well, like, is there a drifting thing this weekend? There could be an opportunity to do some drifting as well, chat. No UFC. JDM. Who the hell is JDM? Mind you, I don't watch enough. I don't watch enough to know. Do you have any pets? No, our landlord won't let us. Yeah, he won't let us have pets. Oh, I'm not done, eh? That's right. Oh, Anonymous, thank you for gifting a sub, brother. So you'll see a lot of these solid lines here. 1, 2, like just the straight lines, eh? 3, 4. So those represent the mountains where I'm from. And in between are all the rivers, okay? All the rivers. So in our culture, the way we introduce ourselves is with these things called pepeha. And then normally how it starts is ko Manawaru te maunga. Manawaru is my mountain. Ko Whakatane te awa. Whakatane is my river. Ko Uwhiarai te marae. Uwhiarai is my marae. Ko te painga te hapu. Te painga is my sub-tribe. Ko Tūhoi te iwi. Tūhoi is my main tribe. Ko Mātātua te waka. Mātātua is my canoe. So it kind of goes from landmarks. And that's how, you know, in those days, people, our ancestors could identify where people come from. And then at the end here, we have Whakairo here. So there's a popo, there's a head, body, arm, legs, and another face there. There you go, chat, over there. So this part of my arm represents like the carving side, which I've been doing since some of you people in chat were probably still babies. It's crazy knowing people from 2000s, eh? Kia ora e hoa, kei te pēhea koe, monkey. Just came over from TikTok, I appreciate you, brother. What are you carving right now? We are doing this tiki. So I'll show you. So this is what we've been up to today. This one here. So we're just sorting out the face at the moment. It's pretty much all there. Like the face is all there. Just cleaning up the arero in the mouth. There you go, chat. 01 baby. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. So normally these are worn as pendants. Not this big though, although there are people that wear them this huge. I think they look pretty silly. And then there's some that wear one this big and then they'll have a little one down here and an extra little one down below. Do you sell these pieces? Yes, I do. Ace, thank you for the 78 car pies, my bro. Where do you live? Aotearoa, New Zealand. Let me just go back to Manny and Dav boy, thank you very much. Just gonna keep going back because I would have missed some. Swarm Louis Vuitton, thank you for the family heart. Thank you Bryant for the ice cubes. Swarm again with the hat and the mustache. And Ace with the rose and Johnny with the 3 roses too. Sorry I missed all of those. Is pavlova Kiwi or Aussie? Put it this way, I think pavlova's fucking yuck. Waste the bloody space on the table. I'll be honest. Why are you standing like that? Because it's my stream, I can. Yeah, I'll be honest, I think pavlova is yuck. Throw that shit out for banoffee any day. Thank you, people that agree. Thank you. Pav is fine if you find those aunties that make the chewy middle. Nah. Looks like the father in Shazam. Wait, you mean the old guy that sits on the chair? That guy? Yeah, I'd rather have a banoffee or just, you know, get at me with that ambrosia, man. No them fighting words. Hit me up with that ambrosia, bro. Hit me up. What's your favourite food? One that I don't have to pay for. Can't get any better than that. It was at TwitchCon when we got asked that question and they go, Brox, what's your favourite type of food? I said, oh, one that I don't have to pay for. And the contestants laughed. I went, it was funny, it's true. You like paying for stuff. You like paying for nice food. If it's free, bro, I'm gonna take it. Bro, even at the Food Wars thing I had to do, those twins set me up, bro. Because we had to push... Okay, I'm going to put the cameras back up. So, I was at a TwitchCon and we did this Food Wars event. And one of the things we had to do, okay? So they had these toilets on wheels that we had to push, kind of like lawn bowls. But you had to have one of the contestants sitting on it. And, bro, there were these two twins there, and one of them goes, I'll jump on your one and you can push me. But she sat on the top, you know, where you flush in, like my face was going to go right there. And I went, yeah. I'm not going to put my face there now, because she was sitting right there, and I'm like, so I just kicked it instead. If I pushed it too hard, she would have fell off. I was like, bro. It was annoying, bro. It was annoying. But yeah, that was my first time competing at a TwitchCon for any event, really. Yeah, pretty much Wharepaku Bowl was what it was. And it was fun. It was a good time. That's where I met Trasai. She is a Twitch streamer that does a lot of cooking. She was on Gordon Ramsay's show too. When she said, I'm a Twitch streamer, and Gordon goes, what the fuck is a Twitch streamer? That moment, if you want to go looking for it. She's good peoples. She's good peoples. But yeah, it was fun. It was fun. Probably you'd never do that again, but yeah. Good experience for a first one. Okay, back to it. Thank you very much, Barrick. Are there many traditional Kiwi dishes? Not really. Kiwi ones? Not so much. Well, not that I know of, brother. Okay, any tips on joining the carving world? Just start, get some tools, get some timber. Don't overthink it, do something simple. Take your time and you will find your processes. Also, chat, after stream too, I'm going to be going for mine and my wife's family walk. I've been doing it every day. Family walk things, chat. Family walk things. It's been good. We got our big girl home today because apparently it's teachers only day today. And I messaged her teacher who just happens to be a good mate of mine. I was like, babe, what are you even doing today? Who married one of my other good mates. Yeah, so with all this, it's pretty much set, so you can see everything here. All that needs to be taken out is that little corner down here. Kia ora from Te Wairarapa. Cheer, Mr. Monkey. Pea koe, my bro. Do you only use hand tools? Majority of the time, yes. But, you know, there are moments where I might pull out the planer. Bloody skull, man. W, I rate that. I like that. W joke, my brother. W joke. I wanna kiss you alone. Do 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 do. Just cleaning up the neck. Is that rain? It is. Hold on, chat. Washing. Okay, no, a little good big break in the clouds. For 5 years I've watched you, been killing it. Hey, thank you, brother. It's you know, it's been a lot of learning along the way too, my bro. But genuinely, bro, it's been a lot of fun. I think the only big deal, only big opportunity I missed out on in those 5 years was the opportunity to join TL. They backed out towards the end there. Team Liquid as a content creator, so it was kind of in the works, and then yeah, we had one more meeting, and then I got the we're not looking to take people in at this time, but we'd like to send you you know, the sympathy gift kind of thing, and I just said, nah, it's all good. I'm all good, bro. Because the CEO was happy that I was talking to Team Liquid as well, because she's a fan too, and then something went on in between, but oh well, you know, sometimes things aren't meant to happen, so I just moved on. Would I join an org these days? Not sure. I mean, if there was ever one I'd like to join, probably be T1, even if it's for a week. As a content creator. But yeah, at the moment I'm pretty happy with where I'm at. Naru, thank you very much for that. Greetings from Perth. Kia ora, my bro. Yeah, I found you live again. Hello, hello. How are you? On your mind, get set. Oh shit, yeah, the rain's actually coming down now. It's all good, there's a big break. I thought it was gonna, pour down a bit more, but we're all good. That's pretty much it. One thing we're gonna do too, like one final thing for this whole piece, is we're gonna do an entire clean, like from top to bottom, all the way down, clean them up, even on the back, go over it again, clean them up again, just to make sure everything's nice. And once we finish that, fuck, should I get these clothes in? Once everything's done, then we should be good. I'm actually gonna get these clothes in. Sweet. So once we do that big clean, that's when we start thinking about how do you clean it. No, just with a chisel, push clean. So just grab a chisel and just bit by bit, just like this. Clean it right up, my bro. Using sandpaper will just create more work. When I have the control with the chisel and I can just get in all these corners. Pretty much. But yeah, that's pretty much the plan. Yeah, sharpen my own chisels, my bro. It's just I got that mentality my koro used to have. His saying was, if you own some tools and you can't sharpen them, then why do you own them at all? And that mentality just carried on with me too. Just for myself, I don't say it to other people. It's just more for me. Always trying to, guide myself. Majority of the time, Sorry, just cleaning up my station. Alright. Oh, my phone is looking quite flat. What is the statue you're carving? It is a tiki, my bro. So normally with this kind of form that you see, this tiki form, it's normally in a pendant size. What's up, Keith? Aloha, brother. How you doing? My brother. Yeah, so normally, yeah, they're worn in a smaller variation, that is. And it can represent, you know, fertility, your certain ancestor that you may name it after as well. And yeah, pretty much. And it's also like the whole mold for it actually comes from that of a newborn, pretty much. You know, they can't really hold their head up. The head's normally like this or to slanted a little bit. And you know the baby scrunch that you might see here. So that's where the inspiration for the tiki came from. From what I've been told, people might have other stories about it, but for me, that's what I got told. Steezy and Creed, thank you very much, brothers. I'm good, man. How are you? I'm good, brother. It's been a good week. Just been consistent as possible with streaming and also uploading on YouTube, Insta, and TikTok as well. My Instagram's been going crazy lately. Someone's gonna be rocking. That's what I was gonna do in my video, eh? People that rock the almighty tikis, like old Tookie's one. Did you see his one? It was around about this size, maybe even bigger. Oh no, about this size. But it was Greenstone. Ngaru and Jordan, thank you very much for the roses. With the rest of your carving, I've got to go back to work. All good, brother, all good. We're on the wind down side of the stream now, my bro. But yeah, I genuinely like where we're at with this piece too. Looks nice. Yeah, oi. What's up? What's up, bro? How you? Thank you, Jordan. And no name for the tiny dinosaur, and Leo as well. Tēnā koutou. What car you got? A people mover. A family wagon. Thank you, EQHJJ, for the roses. Where are we? Do you sell your work? I do, brother, I do. What are you going to name it? The vehicle? Or what? Who's going to win UFC this weekend? I don't know. I'm going to be celebrating my daughter's birthday with in-laws. What are we making? Makini? We are making this. We've been carving this for the last couple streams. And we're almost done. There we go. I forgot its name. This is one of the hardest timbers we have. This one here. So this is Rata. It's it's been all good to me. It hasn't really been that bad. It's actually been quite nice, to be honest. Like really nice. But we have Rata is a hard timber. Maori is another one. Smells like piss, pretty much, the timber. Also, thank you very much, brother TJ, for the rose. Bro doesn't react to gifts anymore, neither does your dad. Bum ass gaslight. Thank you very much, TJ. What else? What else have we done? So all that really needs to be done is cleaning in here, so you can see in the shoulder. This little block there. Hey you, TJ. Ngaru, thank you very much for the roses as well. Yeah, I don't know why people try and come in here and say shit, eh? No one cares, to be honest. Go out and do something positive instead of being a little shit online. Thank you, Kaya Reti, for the manawa. Bloody little shit. Is KFC good in New Zealand? I don't know. I have not tried KFC in any other country, to be honest. Some people live to troll. That wasn't even a troll. That was just a piss poor attempt. Thank you to Kaya Reti Anō. Tēnā koe. Yeah, waste of time when people do that. Go outside. Kaya Reti Ano and Big Mitch. Thought you were going to say you have never tried KFC. Why the hell would I say that? Look at me. No. No, I haven't had KFC in a couple months actually. Please don't have some. Don't you tell me what I can and can't have. 1 AM for me, I can't go outside. You can literally step outside your door and go back in. Don't lie to me. Those who don't listen must feel... Yeah, I don't know why they're trying to start shit on TikTok. When bro gonna have a pie again? So it got suggested to do Mitchell or Michael. I think it's Michael. Got suggested to do a YouTube video and go and get pies. So I'm thinking we go to 3 different shops in Rotorua and we'll go and look for some. KFC in so long, been the toughest 2 days. Solly. Hold strong was all. Hold strong. Hey W, how you doing, brother? Emma, thank you for the corgi. Okay, what's our time? Have we we're doing good. You from Rotorua? Yeah, pretty much. I've lived here since 09. Main reason why I moved to Rotorua is to learn my nan's whakapapa, pretty much. Her genealogy, for those that don't know that word. And yeah, I've been here ever since. I was just going to get 3 steak and cheese pies from 3 different shops. Tātai te ngota. Oh, tēnā koe. What's up, user? Thank you very much for the roses and... Is that... side kissy face emoji? For the gifties as well. I don't know how to explain that, eh? What's up, King Cypher? Thank you, user 26708044734 for the rose. Gotta hit the Tauranga bakeries. Bro, I still want to go to that shop that Paris Nuku plugged. Have you had their burger yet, bro? Steak and cheese pie, that's a thing, brother. If you are ever in New Zealand, you need to try a steak and cheese pie. You don't just eat the pie, okay? You surrender your soul, your body. That's why I look like the way I am now. No. Eat the pie, brother. Eat the pie. King Cypher. Yeah, I remember you, brother. Not from yesterday, the day before. You sent 3. Thank you, brother. Or was it more? I'm sure I saw 3. Here's my This is my moko. There you go. Yeah. Hope all is well, man. Yeah, all is well, brother. All is well. We're just talking about food. And you know what's sad? I'm actually going to go inside and just eat eggs and tuna and spinach. I know where it is now. We keep forgetting to go, bro. You got to send me the Google Maps for that shop, bro. How much does it take to carve a piece like this? Like this? So 11... We've spent about 17 hours doing this. I'm hungry, but I'm drained in bed. Brother, you know you're gonna walk to their bloody fridge and look in there and grab nothing, my brother. Hey, what up, K-Wave? Thank you very much, K, for the rose. Oh, for the rose. Yeah, so 17 hours on this one. And that's pretty much the mold. All we have to take out is this section here and clean up in between the shoulder and the head. Yeah. So it's been over, what, like a couple streams now. But yeah, 17 hours all up. Last thing we have to do. There's a few little things on the face. That's all we have to do. And then we do that big cleanup. KFC guy here. Hey, what's up, Oos? Oh, you're a bit of a DJ, my bro. Wee. Morgs, how you doing? Hey, what's up, Kieran? Yes I do, my bro. Okay, my League of Legends. That is going to be us today. What we are going to do now. I'm going with my wife and our eldest daughter and our youngest. And we're going to go for our family walk. Okay? You still streaming? Abdullah, yeah, 5 years now, or closing in on 6, hopefully next year. I can't tell the future, so I don't know. So the way we do it, TikTok, I'm going to finish up with TikTok first. But for now, y'all have a good day. Thank you very much for tuning in, TikTok. We go live on Twitch. Kick, I don't care if I said it, it's just going to say it anyway. YouTube and TikTok. Upload videos to Instagram and YouTube as well. So if you can, go through and follow the YouTube and the Insta as well. I don't really use Twitter that much because everyone's like a bloody League of Legends salty little Andy on steroids and peptides. So all the same name, Brox. So for now, TikTok, have a good day. I'll see you later. And GG's. I might be live tonight with some reading. I don't know yet. We'll see. Haki did TikTok. Okay. It's trash over on Twitter. Bro, it's so stupid, eh? Yo, Thunder, do you watch the Burnt Peanut, bro? Fuck, he's funny, bro. You gotta watch him. He's crack up, bro. Bro, how on, eh? He makes me want to have a bloody VTuber model. Just to be, hide my bad brushing my hair days. How much check on that bill girl on Tarkov? He's actually funny, bro. I have not laughed that much in ages. And even the way he sounds too. He reminds me of Swagger Souls a little bit too. I don't know if Swagger still streams these days. But bro, he's funny. Yeah, we need to try and get a start on very nice, bro. Yeah, Redwoods today, my bro. The Beatles in the skin, bro. Beatles in the skin. Beatles in the skin. It's just the way he just goes all out, eh? I love that. That's the kind of vibe that I enjoy. Just someone that just goes all out and has a good time. That's why I was going to use the TikTok or the Snapchat potato filter just to see what it feels like to be like Peanut. I'm not going to rate him though, because fuck, he's got heaps of viewers. People are like, who the fuck is this guy? Pop up on the first time. Thought you would be famous by now, considering the old clip. Vanishing Monkey, not so much on Kick, my bro. Well, Raid Peanut, I don't know. Fellow will probably just roast the shit out of me. Alright guys, that's going to be us. The way I'm going to do it, I'm normally going to finish up with YouTube first, since there's no rating system on YouTube. YouTube, as always, thank you very much for tuning in. And I appreciate everyone that's been going to the YouTube channel as well and showing the utmost love. My goal was to try and get to 500k before May. 500k before May. That's the goal. That's the goal. I definitely don't think I'd get it this year. But if I do, I will eat a 15 patty burger. Okay, clip that. Hope someone clipped that. Here we go, I'll do it again just to be sure. If we hit 500k this year on YouTube, I will eat a burger that consists of 15 patties. That's a fucking heart attack and a half, eh? But yes. But yeah, if we don't, then 500k in May. Why did I choose May? Because it rhymes with what I just said. So for now, GG's. Yeah, Thunder wants me to raid the burnt peanut. I'm gonna raid the burnt peanut. Bro, Fat Brothers, here you go. Yeah. So if we hit 500k, then I'll try and attempt that 15 patty burger. Okay. that is us for today, legends. I'm gonna raid probably one of the funniest streamers on the platform as of right now. The Burnt Peanut. Oh, he's so gonna roast me, bro. He's probably like, small ass raid! And I'm sorry, okay, I'm sorry. How much people we got on Kickbar, bro? Oh my gosh, he's doing a giveaway. Oh, see you later, GG.
I forgot the model, but it's the same one I've got right here in front of me. Starforge, you can't enter the giveaway. Fuck you. It's time to ride. It's time to ride.